Today is topic enzymes. Introduction. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up the rate of the biochemical reactions. Next, most enzymes are three-dimensional globular proteins जैसे tertiary and quaternary structures. And next, some special RNA species also act as enzymes and are called ribosomes. Structure of enzymes. The active site of an enzyme is the region that binds substrate cofactors and prosthetic groups and contains residue that helps to hold the substrate. Active site generally occupy less than 5% of the total surface of the enzymes. Active sites generally occupy less than 5% of the total surface of the enzymes. Active site has a specific shape due to tertiary structure of proteins. A change in the shape of protein affects the shape of active site and function of the enzymes. Active sites can be further divided into two groups: active sites, binding site, and catalytic sites. Binding site, it choose the substrate and binds it to active site. Catalytic site, it perform the catalytic action. Enzymes. Cofactors is the non-protein molecules which carry out chemical reaction that cannot be performed by standard 20 amino acids. Cofactors are of two types: organic cofactors and inorganic cofactors. Organic cofactors, these are the organic molecules required for the proper activity of enzymes. Example, glycogen phosphorylase requires the small organic molecules pyridoxal phosphates. Inorganic cofactors, these are the inorganic molecules required for the proper activity of enzymes. Example, enzymes carbonic anhydrase requires zinc for its activity, and hexokinase has cofactor magnesium. Type of organic cofactors. Prosthetic groups. A prosthetic group is a tightly bound organic cofactors. Example, flavins, hemogroups, and biotin. Coenzymes is loosely bound organic cofactors. Example, NAD. Substrate. The reactant is in biological reaction is termed as substrate. When a substrate binds to an enzyme, it forms an enzyme substrate complex. Substrate joins enzymes. Intracellular and extracellular enzymes. Intracellular enzymes are synthesized by retained in the cell for the use of cell itself. They are found in the cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast. Or extracellular enzymes are synthesized in the cell but secreted from the cell to work extremely. Characteristics. Enzymes speed up the reaction by lowering the activation energy of the reaction. Their presence does not affect the nature and properties of end product. They are highly specific in their action, that is, each enzyme can catalyze one kind of substrate. A small amount of enzymes can be accelerate chemical reaction. Enzymes are sensitive to change in pH, temperature, and substrate concentration. Nomenclature of enzyme. An enzyme is named according to the name of the substrate in catalysis. Some enzymes were named before a systematic way of naming enzymes was formed. Example, pepsin, trypsin, rennin. Enzymes for catalyzing the hydrolysis in termed as hydrolysis. Example, maltose plus butter. In presence of maltose, glucose plus glucose. Classification of enzymes. A systematic classification of enzymes has been developed by International Enzyme Commission. This classification is based on the type of reaction catalyzed by enzymes. These are 6 major classes, each class in further divided into subclasses and so on to describe the huge numbers of different enzymes catalyzed reaction. Classification of enzymes, enzyme class, reaction types and examples. Firstly is oxidoreductase, redox reactions, lactic transferase, move chemical groups, hexokinase. Third one is hydrolysis, lysozyme, ligase, non-hydrolytic bond fumarase, isomerization and triose, ligase, new covalent bond RNA polymers. Mechanism of enzymes. The catalytic efficiency of enzymes is explained by two ways: dynamic changes and processes at the active site. Thermodynamic changes. All chemical have energy barrier between reactant and product. The difference in traditional state and substrate is called activational barrier. Only a few substrates cross the activation barrier and change into the product. That is why rate of uncatalyzed reaction in much slow. The total energy of the system remains the same and equilibrium state is not distributed. Processes at the active site: covalent catalysis, acid base catalysis, catalysis by strain, catalysis by proximity. Thank you.